On October 14, 2024, officers responded to the local medical center on reports of a disorderly person who pulled and activated the fire alarm system. An on-scene investigation revealed the individual, from Hoboken, had pulled the alarm on his way out of the hospital. When officers arrived, they found the man, who was clearly intoxicated, laying on the sidewalk. Here is what occurred.
Alright, 2-8, I received that. I'm guessing FD is going to respond there as well to reset the alarms.
Yeah, that's correct.
Right, just give them a call so that maybe they don't roll everybody there. You gotta go. I'm going 20 here.
I'm gonna go and look at the footage and see what it shows. Just leave him there for now. He said he like rolled off the chair. You want to try and talk to him?
Alright, what happened? Michael. What happened, Michael? Why'd you pull the fire alarm?
Michael, get back on your chair. Come on.
Because 3 hours was going to take care of it, and then they didn't care of me. So what the fuck do you want me to do?
So you decided to commit a crime because you don't think they took
I
care of you.
don't do no fucking fine. I pay no fucking fine.
It's not a fine, Mike. Then you go to jail for that.
I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. They put it to carry me. I was there for hours. Hours.
Mike, do you ever think the problem is that you go here 9 times a day?
It don't matter. I got money. I paid for the fucking shit.
Michael, nothing's gonna happen with you on the floor. Can you get back on your chair?
I can't get up.
I'll help you. Come on. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
I want that motherfucking nigga.
Give me another
Get
one.
away from me.
Let's go.
That piece of shit.
Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Up.
Here's another piece of shit. Fuck you.
Michael, focus on getting up.
You piece of shit.
Let's go.
You Puerto Rican motherfucker.
Focus on getting up. Let's go.
Here, hold the wheelchair. Slide the wheelchair. I know, but you gotta sit down.
I gotta get up.
I know. Here, just hold the back of the
1,
wheelchair.
2, and 3.
Hold the
Up.
back of the wheelchair.
My motherfucker.
Quiet, Michael.
You gotta watch your language, man.
You don't watch your leg.
Listen, just I came over here now. I don't know what the situation you have, right?
You got a problem.
The problem is you,
No. My problem is my dick.
okay? You keep your mouth shut.
Yeah, put my dick in your hair.
And then what they want, you gonna beat my ass? Come on, man. Don't be so stupid.
My family said you were ugly one that day. Can you put this around?
What's that?
Can you put this around?
Around you?
Yeah.
Give me, let it go.
Oh, no shit. My jacket. This is,
We'll get it. He's got it right here. It fell.
What are you doing? You want to put it on?
I want my jacket on. It's a piece of shit.
Jacket's right behind you, all right?
You don't know my jacket. My jacket.
You gonna put it on?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on.
Down 2-5.
No, we're gonna have to go back in and get checked out, apparently.
Well, let's bring him up. We got a fingerprint and stuff, so. So we run.
All right. You wanna pull your car over here?
Full smoke with that.
Yeah, go pull your car up here.
Can I take a shower?
He just left.
No.
He's been discharged, I believe.
Yeah, let me go get the discharge papers.
It should happen. They should give it to
No,
him.
no, no. I want them to. They'll edit them to clear. Huh?
They won't have it.
I'll see it. So, our friend is going to go to the jail for pulling fire alarms. I know he was just discharged. Is there any way they could reprint the paper saying that he was cleared to go to the jail? So we don't have to. So we don't have to bring him back to you. What's up? Thank you. I'll be right out front when it's ready. I'll just run back in. They gotta reprint the paperwork for us.
So let's get him up, let's search him, and let's get him in.
All right.
Listen, Mike, give me place with the rest, okay?
I understand that.
All right. Just so you know, so you guys stand up.
I understand that. I can't sit up. I gotta put my jacket on.
You're discharged, so there's nothing medically, you're medically cleared, so.
Yeah. Have anything in your pockets, Michael?
No.
Nothing?
I,
No wallet, no nothing?
no, I want it. I got one.
Hold on. All right, just stand up, okay?
Then someone go in and just get this.
It's great company.
The guy Daniel.
I'll grab everything in a few minutes once we get this squared away.
I got one.
Yeah, I'll go back in a few minutes. I'll grab the paperwork and take everything, square everything away.
Let's get him in the car first, and then we'll do that. I'll tell him to do
Mike, we're gonna walk you over to the police car, okay?
It's okay. I don't want to go in that.
Oh, you have to.
Guy 107.
that. Mike, you're under arrest. You're gonna have to go.
I would say that.
Proceed.
Come on, Mike, we're gonna walk you over, okay? No, sit him down. Push him over.
Come on, Mike. Hold on to your hair.
Mike, put your feet up. Come on.
Mike, put your feet up.
Somewhat, but we gotta get him to the car. He don't walk.
I can walk. Yes, you do.
Right.
Like, get him up to the car. You want them to come so bad.
I love you.
Get him to the car. Get your little shower at the Kearney of the Kearneys.
That's like I was courage
Oh, I
to the
don't know. I'm
shower.
just talking shit.
Because they don't use no shower here.
Mike, you gotta stand up, okay? Then you put your hands behind your back. The officer's gonna handcuff you, okay?
You gotta stand up,
You
though.
gotta stand up.
Oh, you mean? What the fuck?
Come on, stand up, Mike.
Get up. Come on.
I'm getting up. I'm getting
All
up.
right, you gotta
Mike,
try.
you gotta stand up, and then you gotta get handcuffed, okay?
I know that. Me and my first time.
Well, you gotta help him. Come on. Oh.
Oh, I gotta go.
Alright.
Go top.
All right,
Give me your hands.
You gotta
Put your hand
put
behind your back.
Behind your back.
That's an accidental activation.
I know I got a warrant. I know that. Don't be so tight.
I need your other hand.
I got to. I got to move on this side.
Need your other hand.
Give me your other hand. Yeah, right in the trunk.
I know I got a warrant. I know that.
Check the other pockets.
Okay. Pull up, pants up. Please.
Yeah, he'll pull your pants up, okay? What else is in your pockets?
Want my wallet?
You get your wallet already.
Just pull my pants up, please.
He's got change in his pocket. Anything in that pockets?
No.
Right, Mike, take a seat in the car.
107.
Come on, Mike. Get in the car.
107.
Oh, I need help.
Right, I don't know if you cancel that fee, but security already reset the alarm, so there's nothing for you on that.
Proceed with it, no.
I got my wheelchair.
Mike, we have your wheelchair. You just have to go sit down. I have to get your blanket and stuff too.
Help me, please.
You gotta get in.
I can't get it.
You gotta sit on the car and relax yourself.
Is this your backpack?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll put that on top of your bag.
Back. Don't worry about that. That's it. It's back. Feet up.
Feet up.
Yours.
Push him that way.
Yeah.
Put his feet up.
Sit up, Mike. Sit up. Put your feet on the floor. Sit up.
Come on.
I'm sitting up.
Yeah, you gotta put your shit inside though. Put your feet inside. Yeah, a little bit.
I'll meet you up there and grab the rest of the info. I'm gonna go back in and grab the rest of the info. Oh, perfect. Just so we don't have to bring him back to you guys.
Great.
Get the guy's name in your phone.
You want to write it down? Or let me go. You want to write for the paper? I'll take all the info. You just get. She got the discharge papers. Alright.
What's up, bye-bye?
Just need someone's info. Who can we get the camera footage from? What's the guy? Danny, I think.
Danny the Villa.
Danny the Villa.
Yeah, first thing in the morning, he can have everything. I'll leave a note, so he can do you guys a copy.
Alright. What time? I guess he pulled it at 8. What time did he pull it?
10:22.
10:22.
Sure, 768-55-6855.
2-8. What's his case number for the hospital?
768-56.
Alright. He could just email me. My email's on the front. There's the case number. He could just put it in the email.
Alright.
Alright?
Yep.
Alright. We'll see you guys later.
Thanks a lot, bro.
No problem, man. Thank you.
They have fixed paperwork.
Oh, wow.
All it says is that you're seeing him.
Oh, I told him to say it clear. Yeah. I don't like it.
Really?
Yeah. You smoking?
Well, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, the paper, all it says is that he was seen. Doesn't need, it needs to say that he was medically cleared or he's leaving against medical advice. Doesn't it have to say that? Because it has to be a diagnosis of either he's medically cleared to leave the hospital or he's leaving against medical advice. That's what I'm saying. If he's discharged, it should say he's discharged. All it says is he was seen today.
We just need that he was medically cleared to go to the
Yeah.
jail. That's all we need. Because that'll we got to take him back to you guys, and you guys.
Yeah, no, even if he's discharged, it should still say.
But they're not going to discharge him now because he pulled a fire alarm. So we're going to take him back anyway. So we'll just take him back when we're done.
Alright, let's have to take it back. Is what it is. Well, give us that paperwork, and that'll be for him.
Or we'll put it on his phone and drop him off back here. I don't know what that nurse's problem is.
Stay active. You can help him out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, Remy, Barral's up to you now, so just stand by.
467-369. 18 or older to play the lottery for a recommendation on American customer. Enter promo code and check out for $2 non-withdrawable 10 at terroristjackpocket.com/TOS for a free ticket promo. Hey, New York fans. Phones weren't made to be broken, but life happens. So when you break your phone, Verizon in New York City's got you. So get any phone from one of their top brands in any condition, guaranteed, and get a great deal on one of their best 5G phones with unlimited ultimate. Switch now and save. Available in a New York City area Verizon store. Engineered for performance and precision, the Mazda CX-50 delivers a dynamic driving experience from responsive handling to powerful acceleration. An available turbocharged engine, this SUV will elevate your journey no matter where the road takes you. Visit your local Mazda dealer or MazdaUSA.com. Taste the old world flavor of Franks and sausages from Black Bear. Our time-honored and handcrafted recipes have been meticulously perfected over generations and are delicious anytime you're firing up the grill. We're dedicated to using fresh and simple ingredients to provide deli options free of artificial flavors. So when you want delicious made simple, reach for Black Bear. Black Bear products are available exclusively from the ShopRite. With a chronic illness that requires IV medication, say hello to state-of-the-art private suites for all of your infusion needs at Bridewell Infusion, providing exceptional care, comfort, compassion, and convenience. Visit us at bridewellinfusion.com, saving lives with Black Bear.
Jazz used by Trade Soup, a proud partner of the Yankees, is a ready-to-drink premium seltzer that functions both for gin based with all natural flavors, citrus, melon, passion fruit, and only 3 years of 30 calories. Make these oils seltzer with gin and fruit, and cheers to victory.
Hey Yankees fans, Justin Shackle here. The playoffs are heating up and we need you to bring the energy. For my energy, I'm relying on Symbiotica, the only supplement brand I trust. Symbiotica's clean, powerful formulas ensure you get the most out of your supplements. Their delicious yellow chai golden light is just what I need to stay sharp and calm under pressure. If you want to feel your best this postseason, Symbiotica has you covered. Head to Symbiotica.com and use code PLAYOFFS for an exclusive 15% off and free shipping. Baseball fans, time to strike out Red Sox with Betsy's waterproof.
2-8, I'm going 20 at headquarters.
Instagram, they're a new footwear brand revolutionizing the sneaker with shoes that are fully waterproof, so you can actually enjoy the rain again. Imagine your favorite sneaker style supercharged with waterproof tech. Shoes that feel so soft and comfortable that you're walking on clouds. No more rain delays with Betsy. You'll watch the water beat off your feet. Like magic. Head to Betsy.com/baseball. That's BESSI.com/baseball to receive 20% off plus a free gift. Nielsen Dodge has big savings on new Jeeps, Chrysler, Dodge, and Ram.
Damn it.
The handcuffs are staying on.
I need my wheelchair. I can't walk without the wheelchair. So I need my sneakers.
Come on.
I need my sneakers.
You'll get your sneaker, Michael.
Go
Sit
get
down
it
in the
now.
chair.
You don't need it right now. Let's go.
Put
Sit in the wheelchair.
Put you there.
Not me.
Put you up there.
Come on.
Can you push me up there?
Push you?
Yeah.
No, you gotta walk a little bit. Step up. Come on. Let's go. Turn around.
I'm turning.
around.
I'm turning. I'm turning.
Turn then.
I need my other sneaker.
I said don't worry about your other stuff.
I'll get it. Here. Sit back all the way.
I can't go all the way.
His hat should be in there too, right? On the seat.
What?
You see a hat in there? His Scully?
But my hat.
I'll check. Here.
Don't worry about it. Yeah. Thank you. I'll put this stick on.
Here.
Here, I'll put it in his backpack.
Yeah, let's stick up here.
Put it on the
Top.
Here. Ramp it.
I need my sneakers.
Mike, be quiet, man. Hold on, stop pushing.
Stop pushing, Mike.
I'm not pushing.
Yes, you are.
They're like sneakers.
You put it on when you sit down inside.
How you doing, boss? That's a good.
Good.
Oh, Mike. Where you going, out or in?
In.
I'm going in.
Alright.
How you doing?
Great, how are you doing?
By the way, they give us paper, his fingerprint, you were seen here today.
There's no much stuff there. Oh, this is mine. My blanket, my book bag.
Alright, Mike. You gotta sit on the bench.
Yeah, I know that.
You know that?
Yeah. That's all right, though.
Said that a couple times.
There's no dogs in there.
The blue book? No. Oh, right there. Yeah.
Oh, no, come on. I'm not taking the handcuff until you sit on the bench.
I know, but you gotta do
You're not gonna tell me what to do first.
I know.
Get up.
I can get up.
Where you going?
I'm getting up. Anywhere in there.
That's fine. Do you have cash in here, Michael?
I got money in my wallet.
All right, that's good.
With a card, everything.
All right.
I'm waiting, Mike.
Yeah, he can help me out.
I'm gonna hug you up, okay? Come on. Move back.
Don't set me up.
Stand right there.
Hello. Okay. Yeah, oh my God.
No. You're under arrest. You can't have your stuff right now.
I know. I want to put on my book bag.
All right. He's still got some change.
3rd degree, right?
Yeah, he's still got some change in his pocket. I'm gonna take his belt.
Yeah.
Make sure you get it searched. That can't stay in here though.
No, it's coming outside in the hallway.
Put it by the property too. 33, 3, 1A1. I'm sorry, A1. Is it 1A1?
Like, take everything out of your pockets, okay? And give the officer.
Take it over out of my pocket.
Yeah. Take everything out of your pocket and give it to the officer.
Can't do it. I got
33.
my handcuff on me.
I still may be useless, just to let you know.
Well, you have a fingerprint?
No idea.
Should have that. They probably didn't give you access to that. You got a pen? Alright.
Oh, he's got pens.
Oh yeah.
Deactivated. We're gonna secure it to the bench.
So,
The man was placed under arrest, transported to police headquarters, and charged with causing false public alarm. It was discovered he had an open warrant for bail jumping. He was transported to the Hudson County Correctional Facility.